Yay! I won a giveaway on Instagram and from none other than my favorite baker Shivesh Bhatia. This giveaway was in collab with Urban Platter, so I won a gift hamper of rupees 5000 from Urban Platter. So I shopped from their website not only my baking related ingredients but some other products too. And I wanted to share all my shopping details with you. This is not a sponsored video but simply my regular chit chat along with unboxing and my honest reviews. This is the first time I'm making such haul videos, so please ignore my mistakes and show some love. Also, do let me know if you want to see more of such haul or product review videos. This video is going to be a long one, so grab a cup of coffee or tea along with your favorite snack, relax and watch my video. So let's get started. This is the first thing that I have bought. This is Urban Platter Jaggery powder. We call it shakkar also in Hindi. This is 1 kg packing and basically I have ordered this so that I can use this in my baking to make some healthy goodies, and also we can use this to make some dry fruit mixes or anything healthy during winters. So this has sugarcane juice concentrated to sugarcane powder, and this is for rupees 275. So the first product, Urban Platter Jaggery powder, that is shakkar. The second product that I have with me is old-fashioned whole grain rolled oats. Now there are many recipes that I'm planning to try with rolled oats, the old-fashioned rolled oats. So that is why I have bought these. So these are old-fashioned rolled oats crafted from whole grain oats. They make a delicious, chewy, wholesome hot cereal or great overnight cold oatmeal with our almond milk. That will give you lasting energy throughout the morning. Also a great choice for classic oatmeal almond cookies, homemade crunchy granola and oats laddus. So I will be trying one of these recipes if you want me to. So this is also 1 kg packing and this is for 300 rupees. Right? Okay, so there was a one box which I had to throw because it was damaged, although I thought that there is something inside that has made it all oily and everything, but it was nothing. It was just something from the outside, so I had to throw that box, and these were the things that were in that first box that I received. So I'll be showing you one by one what these are. Okay, so the first thing in that was Urban Platter vintage style boiled sugar confectionery pan candy. So this is the pan candy, and you know that everyone in India, we all have a sweet tooth. We all want something sweet after our meals. So this is for that, and basically this is not ordered by me, this is my husband's choice. When I was ordering, I asked everyone in the family if they want something from Urban Platter, and few of the things were ordered by my husband, like it was his choice. So this was one of them. He really has a sweet tooth. So pan candy, I'm really very eager myself to taste this candy. So this is like this packing. So I'll let you know how it went. If you want the review of any of the products, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely try. So this is the pan candy. Next is Bombay chai masala. Now this is obviously my choice because it's winter here in North India and chai and coffee are going to be our regular staples. So Bombay chai masala I really wanted to taste. It's saying it's kadak and khushbudar, and it is 4 rupees. Okay, I didn't tell you the price for this. This is for 250 rupees. The pan candy is for 250 rupees, and this chai masala is for about 250 rupees again. So I'm also planning to use this in one of my chai cakes, so I'll just first try it. And the best part is you have this sprinkle from this one side, and you can use a spoon from the other side. So it depends. If you want to sprinkle on in your tea, you can use this side, and then if you want more of the masala, you can use the spoon side. Okay, so Bombay chai masala. Next I have exhaled matcha tea. Now I've heard a lot about matcha teas and I've never used it. So matcha tea, I'm going to use it in my baking, plus I'll also try to have it as a tea. So this is about 25 grams only, and the price for this is 475. So it seems quite costly to me, but let's see, right? So exhaled palette of divine teas. I hope the camera is catching this. So the next we have is Urban Platter Pink Himalayan Rock Salt Powder. Now Pink Himalayan Rock Salt powder is good for health. They say it's naturally rich in 84 minerals and detoxifying. So I was just trying to, I sometimes buy it from local markets, so I thought of trying this one. So this quantity is 1.25 kg, and this is about, the price is 500 rupees. So now this really is costly. A salt worth 500 rupees. 500 rupees. Really? Okay, so pink salt from Urban Platter. So let's move ahead. Next thing in that box was Royal Kashmiri Kahwa tea. Now basically my sister and my brother-in-law, they belong to Kashmir. Nowadays they are living in Himachal, but I have had a lot of Kashmiri Kahwa. Every winters when I visit, I'm on a holiday, I visit my sister, and I am always requesting her to make kahwa for me. I really love the flavor, the aroma, and all the almonds that she puts in it. You must try it. Okay, whenever she is here next time at my place, I'll definitely shoot a kahwa video and I'll post it. If you are eager to have that kahwa recipe, do let me know in the comment section below. Okay, going to this packing. It's Urban Platter Detoxifying and Warming Royal Kashmiri Kahwa Tea. It's about 150 grams of tea in this, and this is of 500 rupees. I think the people from Kashmir are not selling such a costly kahwa tea, but so this is again sealed. So if you want, I can show you how it looks from inside. So I'll just show you. It smells divine, guys. Believe me, it's really smelling divine. So I'm going to try this right after making this video, and I'm going to call my sister, take the recipe from her, although the recipe has been written here, but I think the natives know better. So they say heat 3 cups of water in a pan, add our Royal Kashmiri Kahwa tea 20 grams in water and let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. Let the tea steep for 2 minutes and then add honey or maple if required. The natives, they also add almonds in their kahwa. It makes it all the more tastier. So okay, this is Kashmiri Kahwa tea. So moving to my next and last product from that box is Urban Platter Italian Seasoning. Now this is spices, herbs and magic. This is a seasoning mix. Now my kids are really fond of Italian food, so that is the reason I ordered this. Maybe I can just sprinkle this on their pizza, in their pasta, and any sandwiches that I'm making. So that is the reason I bought this. This is 80 grams of seasoning mix, and this cost me about 250 rupees. Like this, the cost of this is 250 rupees. Fine. Very first thing from the big box is Urban Platter Crunchy Muesli Fruit and Nut. Now this muesli is a healthy breakfast cereal, and this is basically for the whole family. So I usually use Kellogg's muesli, but this time I thought I'll try this. So this is a 1 kg packing, I suppose. Yeah, this is a 1 kg packing, which is of 700 rupees. Okay, so this is Urban Platter Crunchy Muesli Fruit and Nut. And ingredients are wheat flakes, rolled oats, corn flakes, invert sugar syrup, almond green raisins, strawberry crush, strawberry syrup, pineapple crush, mango crush, dried fruit, apricot, apple, pineapple, papaya, apple juice, concentrated, liquid glucose, antioxidant E310. So crunchy muesli, fruit and nut from Urban Platter. And the next product that I have from that big box is it agar agar powder or agar agar powder or whatever, I don't know, but this is basically used in the place of gelatins. I've never used this although, and I saw this in Shivesh Bhatia's video. Even he bought it for the first time from that platform, from Urban Platter. So I'll be using this in my cheesecakes, which I'm planning to bake in the coming days. So I don't know, do let me know in the comment section, how do we pronounce it? Agar agar powder, agar agar powder, or anything else. Okay, so this is about 100 grams of the product, and this is for 500 rupees. I don't know if a normal agar agar powder comes in the same price range or it's different, but I think this is quite costly. So here is the agar agar powder. So next product is Urban Platter Butterscotch Candy Bits. So this again I have bought to use in my baking. So maybe I'll be making something soon out of these. This is perfect for baking, decorating desserts and topping. This is about 150 grams, and these 150 grams are for 250 rupees. Butterscotch Candy Bits. So next thing is this thyroid care tea. You must not be knowing that I am a hypothyroid, so I just thought to give it a try. I don't know why I bought this, but I just thought to give it a try. It is Namha Thyroid Care Tea, and it says it's packed with the right blend of Ayurvedic herbs: Shankhapushpi, Gotukula, Licorice, and Ashwagandha. So it balances thyroid hormones. It balances thyroid hormones, anti-inflammatory, improves blood sugar level, improves brain function, reduces stress and anxiety. So this is 100 grams of weight, and it is of 589. The MRP is 589. Okay, so the next product is this Urban Platter Mulethi powder. Now Indian licorice root powder. What I know about Mulethi till now is that whenever we used to have that cold and sore throat, my mother used to give me Mulethi, and that is the reason I bought this, so that I can put it in some kind of herbal tea or something to give it to my family during winters. So that is the only reason I bought this. I don't know, I'll check where all I can use this Mulethi powder. If you have some ideas with you, do let me know. So this is about 90 grams of product, and this costed me 200 rupees. Now I don't know whether the normal Mulethi powder is also that much costly, but this is 90 grams of powder and it is of 200 rupees. Fine. So what they have written is nothing written about the usage. So again, all the such kind of bottles, they have these two openings. One is the sprinkle side and the other one is the spoon side. Okay. Okay, so I want to share something funny with you here. So actually, as I told you that some of the things are ordered by my husband. So what he did was he saw a very cute kettle and he thought it's a kettle which can serve 1 or 2 cups of tea. He ordered it, and when we opened all the 3 boxes and we found there was no kettle inside. So I was just about to throw the boxes and I saw a small packet lying at the side of the box, and it was having this small pouch kind of thing all packed up with sellotapes. And so I opened it and I was surprised to find what it was there inside. So this was the kettle that came. Can you see it? Can you see how cute this is? See, such a tiny kettle. And this one is for 250 rupees. And now the next thing is the kosher salt. Now this salt, I bought it some time back from Amazon. I use it in my baking, and this is a premium quality and coarse kosher salt. So it has salt, anti-caking agent, right? And this is for about 300 grams of product, and it costed 500 rupees to me. So kosher salt, basically this is used in baking. I've seen many bakers from other countries using this salt, so that I also use it sometimes, but this is first time I'm buying it from Urban Platter. Okay, so let's move ahead. So I have something in this beautiful blue packing. So let me show you what is there in this. Okay, this is the gel that they have kept for the so that there is no heat deformed in the packet. Okay, so these are twin chocolate chips. So you can see these have the white chocolate in it and the milk or the dark chocolate. So it says perfect for baking and garnishing. It has sugar, cocoa solids, milk solids, cocoa butter, detox, emulsifiers, vanilla flavoring, etc, etc. And this is for about 350 rupees and the product weight is 200 grams. Quite costly, but it's okay. 200, I've used more costly ones. So this is 200 grams of chocolate, double chocolate, twin chocolate chips in 350 rupees. So I'll just use them in my cakes or in my cookies and I'll let you know. So the next product is Urban Platter joint free 100% pure copper water bottle. So this was again ordered by my husband. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I hope you can see. So it seems quite dirty from inside, if you can see. I don't know, I'll just wash it off. Okay, so this is for 795 rupees. They say that drinking water from a copper bottle is good for health, so that is why he must have ordered. Okay, so let's move ahead. Now there is this last parcel, and I think this must be oil, because I think I ordered some oil also. I've forgotten what I ordered. Let me just open this. This was what was there inside. It is Pietro Corsoli extra virgin olive oil. You can see this is 1 liter packing, and the price is 980 rupees. So that was all in the box. Do let me know in case you need review of any of these products. I will really love to use it and then let you know how it is. So coming soon with many more interesting recipes this Christmas, starting from December 1. So stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for many yummy and mouth-watering dessert recipes. So this is all from this video. This is all what I've ordered from Urban Platter. And you know, winning a giveaway is always an exciting thing. So even I'm planning to do a giveaway once we reach 10,000 family. So if you have any ideas and suggestions which are constructive, positive, do share with me, please. No negativity, and I would really be happy to work according to your choices or according to what you are looking for from me. Also, do wait for many more delicious and mouth-watering recipes this December for Christmas. I'll be coming with my Bakemas series that I have been doing from last 2 years. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel for all those yummy dessert recipes. Keep sharing, keep loving, keep liking, keep forwarding my videos, my channel, and do not forget to press that small bell icon to get the notifications whenever I post a new video. So until next time, this is Dipali. Goodbye and take very good care of yourself. Happy baking!